Yo, dog, everything good? Yo, man, yo, to go on the other side, they can't come to Jamaica and wear that, you know.
Welcome back to the Morris Time family. We're here with another video. Well, I'm here. Well, he's here. Almost.
Well, go on. She
What?
never want to make a grand entrance. You know the thing.
Okay, my question to you
What are we
is,
doing today?
what we're going to do is, first, you're going to take off that jacket.
Alright, let's go. Wagwan, what's good? Welcome back to the Morris Time family. You know the thing go. So today is Vlogmas Day 13. But we're not going to be giving you guys a vlog. As you can see, we're sitting down. Alyssa well showered. Look like she bathed about 7 to 8 times.
10.
You know what I say? 10?
10.
Clean like a whistle. I'm just there try see how well we can compliment her. You know the thing. Go.
You don't have to try too hard.
As soon as you come in, leave a like on the video. Because here Ajaria get fussy. Today's video, as you saw the title, it's gonna be hilarious. We are about to just react to some old photos.
Yeah.
This was Alyssa's idea, and she doesn't know what my photos look like that she's gonna react to. I don't know what hers look like, so you're gonna get some. She's seen these before in the past, but we don't know which photos each other's choose. So stay tuned for this. After the intro, you see what I go on. If you have a camera, every day I have a camera, I put that, so you go. And head turn, so it's okay.
Yeah. 1 second.
Just don't make you hear touch up the microphone.
But we didn't hear him. He's breathing.
It's okay.
I wonder if he's
Give
rinsing.
me soda,
I am,
give
I
me
am.
soda.
Yo, stop making noise.
You want to feed him?
He just fed. He's not hungry.
Chronicles of having children. You know the thing go. So first and foremost, before we get into looking at these photos and I roast Alyssa, let me first compliment her. You know what I say? As I said, she look like she bathed about 7 times. But big woman thing I say for me not gonna expect say I say for walk around the house every day. But me appreciate when you clean up and you look nice, you know? Natural hair.
Yeah.
You know what I say? And she look nice and clean. So comment below if you don't like Alyssa's nice and clean look. Because she's
like
always in the house, you know? Nice and clean look. Yeah, man, you look nice.
Thank you.
Big
I
up
appreciate
yourself.
it. You look bad yourself.
Big up yourself. And you're going to give me a better compliment, you know? Yeah. I feel like man now a compliment too.
Of course you look good. You don't have to try.
Of course, I don't have to try.
No, you don't have to try. You always look good.
Alright, so here we are going now. We're going to jump into these photos. Is it screen recording?
Nope, I don't know how to do that. So we're going to start right here. Press record, and it's recording the whole thing.
Close eye.
Close what this?
Yeah. By the way, Jamir is in his room right now. Just took pick him up from school, and he's just playing some video game. Keep him distracted. We cannot distract Achar. That I will do.
Yeah,
I go
me
back
first,
and
and then
back.
you after.
You go back and forth.
No, just one at a
Alright.
time. Okay, so let's do this. All right, so this is the first one we have. This is me pregnant with Jam. With
So-
Adrian.
What you have to say about that one now?
I don't know, I actually look kind of cute. I remember looking back at this picture and I was disgusted. I didn't like it. I'm like, I look so fat, I look disgusting. But now I look back, I'm like, I look cute.
You see me look, I look a bit reserved right now, so let me just relax and me go for the history. Because if we're viewing photos, we're going to be honest, right?
Yeah, but don't make it too long. We'll make it just
No, I won't
interesting.
make it too long. Like each photo is a quick little thing. But story behind this, Alyssa did not want to do a maternity,
A baby shower.
baby shower. Nor even a maternity shoot. None of
Yeah,
that.
none of
Like
that.
she was out of it. And being the person who I am, very determined, and this is my first child, no, I not play that game then. So I used to work at this Jamaican restaurant. I bought the food from them, and I went to work did I cook? I think I helped cook a little bit of it, but I did what you call it? Carve. I did like
So he
the
planned
fruit
majority of
platter and
it,
all of
yeah.
them stuff. Like do all of the planning where food is
food,
concerned.
yeah.
Alisa's friend, she did all of the planning where the event and everything like
Yeah,
that.
you.
She just showed up. You just
my
showed up.
friends and you guys, my friend and you planned it because I was like, I don't want to be part of this.
I did everything where food is
Yeah.
concerned, and they did the snacks, and then they decorated the room and everything. Alisa just showed up, and your sister did it at the time, Anisha Adams, but I think it was Twin Studios at the time.
Yeah, she took
all of these photos and them things. You see?
Yeah.
Alisa did not want to do
But
this,
you know what? I'm thankful because I had a
but
good
it
time.
turned out well.
My friend did a great job.
Turned out
Hot Chef did a
well.
great job. It was really, really good.
All right.
Unfortunately, this one didn't get a baby shower. But it's okay.
You got a baby shower?
No, you didn't.
No, never get the baby shower. Yeah, because
Baby shower.
pandemic. Oh yeah, go through.
That's okay. So yeah,
Look,
I love
look
this
nice.
picture. I look cute. I look chunky cute.
Nice. And
Chunky cheeks. Make sure it's recording.
this was what, 2015?
14.
14, yeah.
Majority
That was like a
20%.
November, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same thing.
And here, the photo shoot, as we were saying before. You see me? This
that
is
day
the
was,
photo shoot.
That day, I didn't want nothing to do with it. I was nauseous. I was throwing up. He literally had to say, "Come on, please, just do this." I was like, "Nah."
So, you want to tell, you remember where we did this photo shoot?
At our brown home.
So, we did this in our living room. Again, Twin Studios, as you can see, which is no
AKA
more.
Anisha Adams.
Yes, and my clothes were all crushed up. I had to run in the room to just put on some
I
clothes
was
real
so sick,
fast
man.
because she was not having it. She was not in the mood.
Even though, like, look at my face. Just look at it. I was like,
Yeah, bro. So it's like,
I
man,
didn't want any part of it.
I had to force you. Well, look on that. We've been like a patchy beard and sitting. Yo! But from long time, I have the
Bro.
piercing them, you see me? Before January for born. And the gap in the teeth, which
Soon be gone.
I'm fixing as we speak. I'm a fake chain and all of these things. Yo. No, what is
Wait,
the
hold
fake?
up,
It's
hold
stainless
up.
steel chain.
Look how big that is, too.
Yeah, stainless steel. I send money guard. Them, you know what? Those times stainless steel was rocking Jamaica. Not gold, not silver, stainless steel.
Well,
if you
it's
know,
cheap.
you know.
And it's inexpensive.
It's inexpensive, you see me?
Look at
All
that.
So this was what, 2014?
Yeah. 2013.
Oh, if we give the date,
2014.
14. This is 14. This is 2000. You're not for person. Remember the
This
date.
is 2013.
14. This is when we did, 13 for real. When we lived on Dana.
Yeah.
So I came to Canada in 2012, went back home, came back, and I lived with a few family friends from my community. And so Dana and Judith, if you watch this, big up yourself, the Swaby sisters, you see me? Was staying by their house, and Alisa would normally come over, come visit. I think Stephanie took this photo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up my friend Stephanie.
Them
She's
time
awesome.
they may beat. You call it rosary
Rosary chain.
chain, yeah.
You go look at the camera, you know. You don't have to
That
keep looking down.
That may I realize, but you know what I say?
Yeah, look at me. I was not about the pictures. Stephanie and Ala were like, take the picture, Alyssa. Why don't you ever want to take pictures? Let me just tell you, I never like taking pictures. You see these pictures, a lot of times my friends are telling me, just take a picture. I never like taking a picture, and which I'm thankful for that I did, because they're good to look back on.
No makeup. You're always mostly natural, you know? Look for my hand, them, man.
I never wear makeup. Really.
Blood clean, look at hand, them slim out. Look for Alyssa hand, them same way.
Same size.
Slim girl, go on through their thing.
All right. Next one. Oh,
Same, that's, jeez. Jamir.
Who does that look like?
Jamir. That is Jamir's
How did I go
face.
out?
Just do this.
My question is, what kind of belt was that?
Listen, when I first came to Canada, it was the thrift store that was my place to go. And I got these cheap things. You know what I say? Like, I used to get these
You can look
cheap.
at the camera.
Me know, is that me always I look down on the thing.
Comment below. You guys can be honest with these pictures, okay? We don't care. But just
Roast
don't
and
be too
toast.
rude. Don't be too rude.
No rude comments will not be out. Well, you can say honest opinion.
This picture.
I don't know
really
anything
like this
about
picture.
this.
I like this picture because I remember it was my first time in a long time I did my hair. And like, I never really liked my hair, and I told you guys I used to straighten my hair all the time. So my
That's
sister,
proof right here.
my
Oh, sorry.
my sister, she used to go to do her hair down. Her hair was always like silky smooth, and I'm like, "How does your hair look like that?" She said, "Oh, I go to a guy named Kadar in Scarborough. I think he still has his business there, Kadar."
So a man straightening here.
Yeah, he's amazing. He knows everything
Man, if I
about
that
hair.
thought them time.
It doesn't matter if we're talking either way.
You can't go no man barber shop.
Anyways.
No man barber shop. Mama, you have to understand, my thing different. I don't care when a woman wants to or no body pan so want to say. You understand where I come from? Me have my woman. You can't have no male. Me don't care if my me don't care if my swim around or what.
He's extra right now.
No man,
But
you
anyways,
got a whole heap of female out there you can't go do your hair with.
so he did my hair. He taught me so much about my hair. When he did my hair, that was the first time in my life it was straight. And sad enough, I felt like I had like white people's hair. And I
felt nice about it.
yeah, and I felt nice about it, which I shouldn't have really, because it was just flinging. So that's called a silk press. I got a silk press. It was amazing. Like you can just like put my. It was bouncy. It was everything.
That is Alyssa's what you call it? Yeah, when I drink, you know. That is Alyssa's proud face. That's her proud face.
Does it still look the same?
But wait, let me ask you a question. Would you or would you not? And I'm not. Would you or would you not be okay with your significant other going to alright, in this case, your wife or your girlfriend going to a male salon to get her hair done?
Listen, at the end of the day, I feel like the men should just be secure enough to say it.
No, I understand
So.
security, you know. I understand that part there, you know.
Yeah.
But why you gonna put yourself in a environment where anything can remember now somebody so you go sleep on the regular, you know. You know what I say? When me go a barber shop, me and my barber will sit down and will reason.
Oh, so you can talk your business to them.
You start get close to this person now. Remember, anything is possible for you put yourself in that realm. You get where I come from, cause it no matter if you have your woman or you have a man. If you're around somebody very often, you ever hear the term work husband or work wife. You know what I say?
Sometimes it becomes too true.
Yeah. So when I say me not insecure, but at the same time certain game me not play, you know?
Okay, buddy.
Go on. Everyone.
Guess who is who?
What I done, mama?
I know, I'm thirsty too.
We'll try for next.
I can go, because yours is... Okay.
I'll go to Harwood. I want we should run this, premiere this, so we can reply to the comments as it
that'd
goes.
Be nice.
And just, you know, I know. I could leave it for the regular posting, and then we read the comments and reply to the comments.
Alright, so you guys comment below and we'll comment back.
Yeah.
So the first couple of people that comment, we'll comment back, you know? So you guys so we're interacting with you guys. But anyways, so this picture right here is a picture of me and Jam Jam.
Which one is her?
Yeah.
That's the question. Comment right now.
10,
Tell us.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kind of easy to guess.
Which one?
Because the quality of the photo. Old.
No, but both of them look old.
Yes.
Anyways, the one with the hat on the head is me. So the one on the left side, it would be left on their side too, right?
So you wanted to recreate your childhood photo.
It was the same company that came and did it too.
But the only difference is him across a different arm than you.
Yeah, but
it match.
we look similar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember we went through this phase where we used to put side and side picture with you and Jamir, me and Jamir to see who Jamir look like. Me used to do it.
He used to do it.
Me used to do it. Because you know my first time I want to know who he look like.
Oh, Jamir used to look like me. No. Jamir looked like me. He still looks like me, okay?
Yeah, Jamir is his mom. Big man thing.
Next one.
What is mama? Jeez, this look like you know them what you call it? Damn.
Let me zoom in.
Like the vegan people, we live in a
hippies,
van.
hippies.
Yes. I see a look with that sitting around their head and some big hoop
See?
earring.
You got the point of the photo.
So that's it. That first time I see that picture, by the way. Very first time.
Yeah, so this is me and my friend.
My first time.
Me and my friend Ellie, we were just taking some photos, having a little photo shoot in her room. And so she's like, yo, pose up like this, pose up like that. I'm like, aight, say less. And I'm just, So we just did bare foolishness, but this is one of them. I kind of like it. You see my face structure when I didn't have the chin, you know.
I want to cock up my foot like you. My foot them feel like the blood now rush. Or if rush.
You can put it on top of my leg.
Alright. Hopefully in the recording. You
can put your leg on top of mine.
These look weird.
These thick thighs
no, look
are
weird,
good for a reason.
Alright, keep going.
These thick thighs are good for a reason. Okay.
Alright, next.
So there's that one.
Oh, don't plug out that thing.
Same day.
First,
See?
me I see the cinema, man.
There's that. Same day.
I kind of skin out business. I go ahead and say they look like a. No, man, sure it's a Ellie there.
It was Ellie's.
Because look on the ear right there, so no. Fuzz out and sitting.
Yeah, because I used to straighten my hair so much, it was just sticking out.
Like I go visit somebody.
Bro, I was like
a prison
I was like 12 years old here. 13. Just entering high school. Grade 9.
You can actually have prison power and prison bed. Say Alyssa was a stick girl, you know.
Yes, I was.
I know she's a thick girl, you know. Right, go on.
It is what it is.
But
another pose up.
Mama, that look like a wig, like you have one piece of wig.
No, my friend in my hair that day.
No, we know say I read here, but when we first meet you, I feel looking at camera. I interact with you as well as her, you know what I say? But me constantly, I feel like most of these photos, it's my first time seeing them.
Yeah, this picture, I think my friend curls my hair, and then we just took picture. Oh, look, the shirt's kind of similar.
So it's like a throwback business.
Yeah.
But you look like you go through a dark time in your life.
How?
You had black fingernail and sitting
black fingernails was kind of cool.
You see that? I don't know if it's a show as
it
good.
Is black fingernails.
But I can say a slight like
I just like wearing black fingernails. I still wear black fingernails every once in a while.
I guess it kind of signify when people go through trauma and
no,
putting
it
black
had
fingernail.
nothing to do with trauma. It just looked nice.
That's what I say. I just black fingernail associated with darkness and you know?
No, I just like wearing, truth be told, I just like wearing dark fingernails.
This is your place?
Because, no, my friends. But yeah, there's that one. See how skinny I was? I don't want to be that skinny.
But remember that one.
Yeah.
I remember. So what is the story upon that one? I tell the people. I mean, did it or you did it?
Do what?
Somebody did edit the picture and make your hips look
you did.
I mean, did it?
I was going to show them that picture, but I said, nah, they don't see it.
I mean, did it?
It was me.
You did that, man? Mama edit the video, the picture, make him body look broad out there, so. So I say, yo, who that? I say, how it look so?
Yeah,
then
no.
She show
I edited
me
it.
The original.
Yeah, I edited it. But this one's natural.
Mic check. Let me see your mic. Oh, it's on it.
Yeah, so this...
Screen record, nice.
So, this picture is my first time I went to a semi-formal at my school. So my friend Ellie, she said, yo, listen.
Look like Caitlin, this.
No.
Look like
no, if it was Caitlin, Caitlin would have been right here with us. But as to what I was saying, she's like, yo, listen, please come to a semi-formal, it's fun. And I thought it was some cool kid. I'm like, I'm not going to no semi-formal around any kids and like I just thought it was too cool.
How old were you right there?
I was probably in grade 11 or 12.
I decided now.
The ring?
Yeah, you take out it. You call it Monroe?
Monroe, something like that, yeah.
Marilyn Monroe.
So I
How old are you, sir?
I think I was in grade 11 or 12, yeah.
So you're 17, sir?
16. No, I finished school when I was 16.
Feel uncomfortable.
I was 16 when I finished school, so I think this one I was 15 or something like that.
So question of the day, because a lot of people are going to ask, is that your real hair in this photo? We know say your real hair, but for the people who've never seen these
I'll tell you guys right now. I've only put fake hair in my hair twice. So this is my real hair. Okay, I've only wore a fake hair like twice in my life. I think one time, twice in Drake, I think. When I was like 12, they did like rope twists in my hair and it just had like purple extensions in it.
Yeah, I never meet them.
No.
But when I just meet you, all on you saw some color hair or summertime.
Yeah, we used to add like colors into our hair.
You just know them from a distance, like they are purple, blue.
Yeah,
When somebody really sitting here in Jamaica, go still know.
Oh, maybe that's why everybody's looking at us.
Let me soon come in high scheme and everybody have a different color here, but I spray the spray with one washable spray, right?
No, it was just
Or
extensions.
braids. Yeah, braids.
Yeah, we just.
They have
do-
purple, blue. That face says Skittles, baby them.
Yeah. Well, like it was fun. It was cool to us, right? Yeah, and I know it's funny. Story time.
But little kids at Jamaica are really allowed to do them something still, no?
Yeah, I know.
But it's just like when the Canada is like more of a freedom thing,
yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
But if you put it in color and a little bit here, well, I'm not sure if it changed. They say, can I go take it a little girl bad? You know what I
That's
say?
so bad. Like
them
people are
a
just
say,
exploring and having fun.
broke out. And in Jamaica,
Which
they
they
broke
should
out.
not. Which they should not. That's not nice.
Yeah, broke out like
Kids
you're
are just
getting.
exploring. You like colors. Colors
Yeah.
are colors. You know. So back then we're just like, let's put some color in our hair. It looks cool. But yeah, I was saying a quick story time. I remember I was in Jamaica. Well, no, just about my hair. Quick time. But I remember I was in Jamaica, and we were in the scheme, and then I got my hair cut. I just got bangs done. Bangs. I came back on the scheme, and everybody's like, "Why you wear a wig for? You have nice hair. Why you wear a wig for?" I'm like, "What are you talking about?"
When was this? Before we meet you?
No, when I met you. Yeah, when I met you, I guess. They're like, why you wear a wig for? Fake hair. And everybody was just talking about my fake hair. I'm like, bro. I went to them, every person I said, please just touch my hair. Now I'm on a fake hair, a fake hair. And they started touching my hair. And they just looked at each other like, oh, it's actually real. I'm like, legit, I don't wear fake hair. And there's nothing wrong with fake hair.
Yeah, but if you have long enough hair, I guess people just.
No, it's easier to tame.
Hair.
When you have wigs and stuff, it's so much easier to tame.
You are control the screen, you know.
Yeah, next one. And stop touching people's hair and stop judging people's hair. Don't touch people's hair. And stop saying people's hair is fake when it's not. If it is fake, don't be telling me it's fake either. Moral of the story. Mind your business. Next one.
Box. Oh, before we jump into this, so if you're new here, like a year new, because I
or a couple of days new.
No, or even a couple of days new. This channel was called Gump TV at first. And then I changed over to Morris Time TV, then Morris Time Lifestyle, and soon to be Morris Time Family. You know what I say? But the Gump TV, it's whenever time I receive that plaque, it's gonna have Gump TV in brackets because that was the original name. You know what I say? And Gump TV is just important to me. Gump is a name I came up with when I was like, well, that says 17, 18. So Gump basically means God, and means like is. In Jamaican patois, you say A-H-A, but it's is. So God, Adrian Morris, provider. And then the 87 / protector. The 876 is the Jamaican era code. And yeah, and if you want to move it away from me now, you can say GAMP, God, me provider. If we're going to talk about like you the viewer and you don't want to say it's Adrian, so Gump, GAMP, God, me provider. You know what I say? So there you go. That's the story behind that. Your
back
story
to my
now.
Story.
Yeah.
There's nothing really crazy about this. This was just the day we actually got he got his eyebrow pierced.
We just realized this the box
that
cover.
was the first day, and I just got my lip repairs. Oh,
your nose they got pierced.
Oh, my nose! I didn't
already have your lip pierced from high school.
Yeah, I thought maybe it closed. I didn't even see the nose
tell me
ring.
the story behind the piercing. No matter
So basically, he just always liked the look of it. And I said to him, I'm like, be careful, like, you know.
Talk straight up, sir.
I said the stigma behind me, like, what people think when guys do that, like, you know.
You come back and want talk. Let me talk.
They might think, no, what? I don't know.
It's okay. All right, listen. So the whole moral. I mean, I'm not trying to cut you, but she's gonna sugarcoat it. I'm not sugarcoat nothing. So the story behind this was, Alyssa wanted to get a piercing. I love piercing, so I went to get this piercing right here. As you can see, let me zoom in. So I went to get this piercing right here with her on the upper part, because both of my ears were pierced from primary school, right? So now, when I went to get this one, I said to Alyssa, yo, really like the piercing over here, so, you know. But knowing, if you know me, I don't like when somebody tell me that I can't do something. If you tell me that I cannot do something, trust me, I'm going to get it done. So Alyssa was there like, no, if you pierce it, I'm not going to talk to you. You can't do it.
I didn't say really I was going to talk to you. I was like
basically,
fishy.
it look fishy. But basically, they're saying, when you pierce it over your eyebrow, it's like
an indicator that you like men.
Like you're homosexual. And I'm saying, listen, you say, true, me confident in who I am, and you are telling me, say, I cannot pierce it, me I go pierce it. I know it's something that I'm working on even now, but I don't like to be controlled, feel like I'm being controlled or told what to do. Like I'm very stubborn when it comes on to that. I like to do me. You know what I say? And if you tell me that I can't do something, it's like you're telling me that, yo, do it. So that was the story behind it. And when I got it pierced, people in my community back in Jamaica, my brothers, everybody calling me, yo, dog, everything good? Yo, man, yo, to go up on the other side, they can't come to Jamaica and wear that, you know? And I'm not going to lie to you, like for about 2 weeks, I was depressed.
He was so sad.
Sad because even my brothers, like what my older brother called him and said, yo, that don't look good, you know, brother, but you're sure? And like I felt depressed for about 2 weeks.
You were sad. You were really sad.
Even when I used to work in this Caribbean restaurant, Jamaican restaurant, you know, we as Jamaicans,
didn't you cover it up?
We used to cover it up with Madura because me and MC for probably a month. Because when like chat them people, that's where I went and learned what it really is to like talk about people. Because if you know me, you can't even ask my mother, ask her this. I say, once there's a discussion about somebody, I am out of the room. I don't discuss people.
Yeah, it's true.
Like I don't until I start to work at that place and you're there for 5 years. They're just in your ears and when is this? Like they just love people's business.
Just
you know what I'm saying?
One thing is just be careful who you surround yourself with.
Yeah. And when you're going to a situation,
you start picking up their habits without even knowing. So if you want to pick up people's habits, pick up good habits. Yeah. Work habits, thinking wise, like you know. You don't want to pick up those bad habits.
It took 5 years. It took 5 years for me to drop all of those bad habits. Because trust me, you know me, I know this. I'll be here. And for example, Alice's sister, she was pregnant at a point. And mommy called me and said, oh, you never tell me such and such pregnant. And I said,
nobody's business.
Then if they wanted you to know, they would have told you. So mommy, I said, but I said, like, it's not my business to tell.
Same situation happened with me. Like, I didn't tell my friends that my sister was pregnant, and then my sister went to her work, and she's like, oh, "You're pregnant?" And then my sister was like, "Yeah." Alyssa didn't tell you. She's like, "No." And my friend called me and like, "That's not my business to tell you. If you know, you know. Simple." You know? There's some things in nobody's business. Sometimes
I feel like if somebody want you to know something, they will tell you themselves.
Yeah, just keep
That's how I assume. Just like a new phone number. Comment and let me know if you agree. Like a phone number, if I change my number, it doesn't give Alyssa the right to give nobody my number, and vice versa. You may say ask me because obviously I didn't give this person for a reason.
Yeah.
You can't just give out my number without my permission. So it's just
people do that.
It's just like the same. Like you can't hear my business unless you're one of those people who try to hear people's business to monetize off that type of vibe. Yeah.
All right, next one.
But yeah, before we cut, sorry, I'm still rocking this. Probably I'm going to change it for a different person, who knows. But 7 years later, and I'm still rocking it. And guess what? Not a bend bone in my body. Yeah. So people try to bully me and say, oh, you're going to... No, I'm confident in who I am.
And that's great.
You see that?
On to the next picture.
I think I remember this.
Yeah, I was pregnant with Jam.
Like 3 months pregnant?
Probably 2 months or so. I was probably 3 months.
3 months.
But I never knew I was pregnant. I went to Jamaica.
Did you go look for mommy them time there?
Not really.
Oh, I probably should have known if you're pregnant. Mommy never knew you're pregnant.
My mom did.
7 months.
My mom knew I was pregnant, but she didn't say anything. My mom knew because she's like, I didn't know. I was like, how do you know? She didn't know.
Cool. I borrowed them, mama.
Yeah, so that's me. That's the day I met...
Sorry.
Look at those eyes, bro. This is the day I met Shaggy. I should have showed you a picture, but yeah, I met Shaggy that day. Me and my sisters were going to Jamaica just for like a couple weeks. Got myself ready. I felt nice, you know, just doing a little eyeliner. Make sure my eyebrow was done. That's all. I just have eyeliner on. And straighten my hair. And I was like, all right, let's go to Jamaica. And we're waiting at the airport for us to board the airplane. And I was like, yo, isn't that Shaggy? And he had somebody there with him. So I was like, I want to say hi to him. So then I got up. Jari's trying to wake up.
Go on, dude. Talk at that.
So, he's gonna just leave him. Just leave him. Don't even touch him.
They saw that there on his cheek.
Yeah. So, Yeah, I just went to Shaggy and asked him for his photograph, and the person that was there with him is like, "Yo, you're gonna expose the man. You're gonna tell everybody that he's here." I'm like, "Who doesn't know Shaggy?"
Probably
Like,
that disguising there.
No, he had no disguise. He has no hood, nothing on, and he's just there sitting.
You might not even say something on you, and he might
And
say
the guy that was with him was like, "Yo, man, y'all gonna expose the thing, man." I'm like, so I looked at him and I just looked at him. I said, "Okay, can I get a picture?" Check my like, "Alright, man." Huh?
Sorry, go ahead. Talk.
Don't judge my patois.
No, I'm not judge your
How does my
patois.
patois
See, that's
sound?
the thing. I didn't want to say it out loud for her to get insecure. I'm one of the people who always encourage you to talk patois.
Yes, true. But
If you're around me and you have some form of Jamaican heritage in you,
talking.
you have to talk some patois.
But yeah, I seen him and took pictures with him. That was the moral of the story. But I love this picture because I don't know, I really like the picture, how I look and everything.
And it reminds you, say, you're pregnant with the boss.
Yeah, with my jam.
Yeah.
Who is that? Who is that?
You see this already.
Who is that?
That just put it here back in our corner and you get Jameer.
I'm trying to tell you guys, Jameer's teeth is just like this right now.
Right.
Jameer's teeth is just like that.
Let me call him. Jameer! Jameer!
Just like that.
Wait.
He's too busy playing his game. Jam! Jameer! Is he okay? He's not answering. Jam? Well, he feels better.
Come here.
He's coming. Yo, this picture.
Yeah, I feel you say this boy is a reincarnation of you, bro.
Reincarnation.
Yeah, but you're still here,
Yeah,
bro. What's I say?
Duplication of
the
duplicate.
You do
A clone.
Use the right word.
He's a clone.
He's a DC fan. Use the right word. What do you call it?
The doppelganger?
Doppelgangers. Alright, make him stay now.
Yeah, he's not coming.
Right now, he's missing 2 teeth.
I think we have in some other videos, we have pictures of him, so you can just put them beside each other. Always take a picture.
Come. This is Jameer, bro. Come here. Careful of the tree. Careful. Come here. Come right in the middle, so. Real quick. Put on your phone.
1 second.
Smile.
Smile?
Look up. Look on the camera. Smile. Smile like that. Smile. Looking at the camera, are you?
Put my camera up there.
Get it? 2 missing tooth.
Oh, that's the same.
Same thing, bro. You look just like your mother, my guy.
That's my baby.
Damn, bro. Alright, go on, boy business.
See ya, bye.
Take a game and go on. Later.
I'm just joking.
Go on back and lock the door. Go on back.
I wonder if people actually do that.
Look where. What?
Like, tell somebody to come in the video and they're like, okay, bye, get out of here. Go.
Yeah. Careful.
We don't need anyone here no more. Okay, anyways. I hear ornaments dropping. But yeah, that reminds me of...
Yeah, go on. Close the door.
My jam, my baby jam.
How old are you there?
Probably around 7 or 8. Around Jameer's age.
Same age.
Yeah.
Like twins. Comment. See, there's gonna be so much comments on this video.
You guys, comment below. We need more comments.
We're replying.
We do love seeing the comments. Like, we love interacting with you
But
guys.
we'll reply.
Comment.
I will reply too.
Yeah, just comment. We love it, you know?
Me admire that part because it's like...
Because honestly, the comments mean a lot to us.
Yeah.
It does. And like, we love the love and the support from all you guys. So just reading the comments, we just love it. You know, we make these videos for you guys to have some entertainment. You get to know us as well. So keep commenting, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Like, just do all that, you know? And we'll continue making more videos and you'll see us very often. So this picture right here, guess where I am? Very easy.
Jameer again with
on the darkest one there, smiling.
I think I make out everybody in that
here.
picture. First man.
So you tell me who's who. The first one.
All right, so that's Destiny, right? So
Destiny, yeah.
That's Hansel.
Ansel. And Ansel's the one that you guys seen. That's my baby sister. The one that did my makeup the other day.
Artist.
And that was here with Jam when I was in the hospital giving birth to a Jari.
Kaka Jamaica they were the old time set
No, it was here.
Dr. Alisa and then Dr. Jerry right there, so. I say, have you any bro, man? Wait, okay, see if still a record. Okay. Boss have one eyebrow.
I have so many kids. My parents took so much pictures of us. I have albums for days. So we can always do a part 2 of pictures of when I was younger if you guys want.
Zoom out, let me say something. Yeah, then a couch at my background are flowers.
It's a couch, I think.
Look like these are flowers right there.
I really don't know, to be honest. It's really
But Jamaica alone, you go see them colourful couch. You know them all-time mattress with the color mattress flowers. Oh, this man.
Good eyes.
When was this? After you have baby?
No, just before. No, this was definitely before.
No. That's a pre-baby body because you have a 6-pack right there. So.
Yeah.
Backside.
This is before, probably like a year before I had a jam.
Yeah, them tiny you see?
Like, I used to look at that picture, I'm like, ew, I look so gross. Like,
you know about that picture here too?
What?
Not the picture.
Yeah.
See, me I take all that shine from it. Not take me not deliberately do it. But when I see these pictures, bring back some memory. Remember one at a time. I mean, if I did a talk one at a time, stop talk, and you take this picture, I don't know where there, where your back, your head, you turn the back to your back of your head, and you have the brown streak
and the
like
dog was right beside me?
Dog, yeah.
Yeah, during that time.
Yo, I don't want to hold on for here right now.
No.
So I see the area right now. I see that here, and the heels are sitting here. I think that was my thing, where kind of. I don't care if you hear low or long, but preferably I like when you hear long. So, you know, can wrap it up on your arm.
What?
Can wrap it up on your arm. I like long hair, you know. But differently still, when I first meet in Jamaica, I see him, I say, yo, that tall girl I hear nice, see? I think that was my first impression, you know.
That's congratulations to you, buddy.
And that is a story everybody want to hear, but I can't go down the too hot.
No. Anyways. So, this is me. I used to go clubbing with my friends like every other week. I'm not even joking. I probably used to spend like $200-$300 a night every week.
That's sad, man.
Yo, we used to just party.
But you never had the party type where a party and wild out with
No, never. Oh. But, yo, the thing is, me and my friends, we took care of each other. Like, we had each other no matter what. If this one didn't have that much money, it was like, don't worry about it, we got you. That's how we are.
Let me not make that face. Let me not make a face behind it. Because that's not something when me ever hear from you or see in you.
Yeah.
If you have fun, like, trust me, I've been with women. I know a promiscuous woman when I see one.
Yeah.
And you never been that type, you know? Yeah, never.
My mama grew me wise.
You never been. And trust me, as I say, sometimes you can be the last person to know because I've been that guy before. Me in a relationship and everybody knows that my girl do a bag of thing. And I was the last to know. But when I listen differently, you're just always a solid person. But that's a girl. No, you're always a solid person. You know what I'm saying?
Solid.
Always a solid person where me never one day feel like me I will go to there and somebody will come up and say, yo, me deal with that girl there already. Because I'm big on that. I ain't not going nowhere and a bag of man a hall and pull you. Mad? Can't talk to them girl there.
Not me, homie. But even still, it is what it is if that's who you are.
No, I say me. Like if you do that something that's a you thing. But yo, it is embarrassing for your woman go. You see, we as man, as I say, I've been in relationships, I've been with women. But no, if I go somewhere, none of them now go come up and say, them are Adrian. No, they're not going to do that something.
Nobody can do that.
Because especially me as a man, like me said that, from me stop talk, you can't disrespect what me have going on type of
thing.
You understand where I come from? But
so yeah, that was me clubbing. Oh.
Jamaica come out of I'm hungry.
Same thing, this was my birthday. When I was turning, how old am I?
I think about 21.
21?
No, like that, about 18. That's what it look like. What you want, my boss?
Look, I look so nice.
Tell me what you want, talk.
A remote connection.
Jesus.
Interruption.
When you go in your yard, man?
Interruption.
No, not that one.
Jameer is causing an interruption.
Go on.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys this one quick.
How far are we going? Almost 40 minutes.
Yeah, but we're not going to show all of it, maybe.
Looking for the record?
Or we can do part 2. You and then me. People like that.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
But we're going to do it now.
Yeah.
But put in a different video like tomorrow.
Yeah, so if you guys want to watch part 2 of Adrian's pictures, watch tomorrow.
Because we don't want figures again. That makes sense. So, so today is you. 13th, the 14th, which is tomorrow. And it makes sense to do a back-to-back.
Yeah.
My picture them, you don't want to see them. But yeah. Makes sense. That makes sense. That is very smart.
Is yours good?
My
Yeah,
brother.
he's breathing good. Yeah, so this is me on my 18th birthday, I think, and it was amazing. My friends did a huge thing. A birthday to remember, you know? They went out on gifts. I
Definitely.
got iPhones, I got watches, I got... You made me a nice cake.
No, me not look for you for my sake, you know.
I know, but Hot Chef, he made me the amazing cake. I think it was a pumpkin cheesecake.
Yeah.
Cheesecakes are my favorite cakes.
Which, me I will plug it right now. I have a video out on.
Check here.
Link. Pumpkin cheesecake. Check it out.
Yes,
nice.
really good. So I got that cake. I was like, all right, I got half a cake because my friends ate some. Got half a cake, brought it home. Mind you, it's a huge cake and it's thick. Went home, put it in my fridge. I went to sleep. I woke up in the morning. Gone.
Like black magic disappear.
Yo, isn't that one of the worst feelings? When you plan for something and it was half a cake. So I went to my brother and because he was the only one in the house at the time. I said, yo, where's my cake? He's like, oh, me and my friends ate it.
Friends.
And I couldn't even get mad. I was like, okay. I just walked back. And I had a little tear come on my eyes. So that's that.
But wait. What I remember about this day most significantly was the treats of choice.
Treats?
Where Stephanie D can't come there. I say, yo, oh, you feel have me as a yard man come at a birthday party and the snacks that are there are your genitals shape, men body parts. Man, I said, Mama,
I didn't mean any of them. I was kind of comfortable.
It's okay. Wait, what she say? I'm funny, honey. It's okay.
That's Stephanie.
Go, girl. That's Stephanie.
I love Stephanie. She's amazing.
Stephanie is a cool person.
Yeah.
When I reach a party and I see the thing them on the table.
You're like, huh?
I say, what kind of freaky thing of one night birthday party? This is not a bride show.
Listen, I didn't eat any of them. I was like, this is weird.
What you call that?
Bridal shower.
Yeah, where woman have a bag, but me I come up birthday party and I see frosted sitting on table. I can't even say it for YouTube purposes, but yeah.
It was wild.
Who's this? I love a picture. I think he did give me one of them pictures.
I did.
No, Joe?
Yeah, who's this? Lisa Vibes.
Yo,
so embarrassing.
I love that picture. I think this is one of the first picture you give me.
Yeah. I took this photo shoot just for you.
I made it. You serious? Mm-hmm. You serious?
Yep.
My party did say, yeah, not Canada this. Mm-hmm. Okay. You see me thing hot? Hey, you see me thing hot? Remember, young yard man and the foreigner, them are sending the picture, them a nice, clean picture, them tell them not even have no nice camera. Jamaican go on your yard, man.
Stop coming. What is happening?
Yeah, man.
Do you know what to click to connect it?
You just
bro, who you ask someone that you are the tech genius?
Jameer, you just hold this. Hold the middle. This one right here.
Yeah?
Just hold it. Yeah. Oh, interruption.
I think if you send that picture to me then.
Not 200 times.
If you send that picture to me then, man.
Again?
And me nah, it's not that you're frightened, but when we see that picture, when they send me that picture, yeah, you're nice and you look nice and you dress.
Goody.
You know, only time you see Christmas tree, I like when I used to go in a store. So I see around the Christmas tree at a December time.
Aww.
It's just like, I have that up in my house, my room felt festive at the time. Just to have a photo with a Christmas tree. Today I say, girl, nice, you know. Yeah, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like many a times when I look back, even right now, because you uphold yourself, you know, you still work for yourself, because but you always beat yourself, but I always tell you, so listen, you not allow me to deal with you the right way if you not deal with yourself the right way.
True.
So you just have a baby. Me not the type of man where I go body shame and say if you go lose this or I go encourage you to do so if it a mess with your psyche.
Yeah.
You know? But differently, me not go say, yo, oh your breast them change up and me it change up far, you know where I come from? But me now in the same breath of air, I'm not gonna make you feel complacent and comfortable with being in a place where you not like.
If I'm depressed,
but differently,
yeah, no.
Oh, that one little girl look like you know. Yeah, cause with a nice flowing hair. Me imagine that. We like having a daughter. where have your hair, have your complexion, but look like me.
Huh? Boy.
No, me I think it over. Come me that say, like, look like you. You look nice, but me just say.
How she look if she
Have
look
your
like you?
hair, but I want she have your hair, your lip them, your eyebrow, and then
Your
look
nose?
like me. No, just look at me. More she have my eyes.
What?
And me have the seductive eyes.
No, hot chef. If whatever God makes her daughter,
Me
is
no,
what we'll get.
but look, just look.
No,
You see eyes them?
No.
Yeah.
Girl should have nice bright eyes, at least to me.
But you know what, truth.
Look at these bright eyes right here.
Yeah, girls' eyes closed so it kind of look creepy. Yeah, that right. But yeah,
Maybe a jar get your
I
eyes.
mean, I want you to have your personality just loving, you know?
Yeah.
And most importantly, just is a rider that, you know, he's a rider. You can't find that very often, you know what I say?
Rider. That's just me in my pictures. There's a little journey of me from when I was a little girl to I guess now.
Right, no.
So yeah.
When the thing kick off, you know, you say no more kids and you focus on your thing and body cock up and
What?
snatch up and you don't have the personality already. When they reach, when they get your body back to where you want it,
I'll get there.
them dead.
Listen, I'm gonna do a mommy makeover. Anybody
Yeah.
wants to do a mommy makeover, do it for yourself, okay? Cause eventually I'm gonna do that. I just want kids.
Yeah, I just said, well, but you don't know me.
This one wants 6.
We support that.
This one wants 6. Most I'll go with maybe 2 more.
We support that, you know.
Yeah, but we'll see.
When it come on to the
our
money
conversation,
makeover,
child.
we support that something.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is it. You finish it up because remember, you see me comment a lot on these, and you have a comment. Me I go just keep back and make you say your
Well,
piece.
we just talk.
Me know,
You know, just talk.
but if you say you show me say
yeah.
my piece on yours, But yeah, overall, what a good look. If you did enjoy this video, I hope at this point in time you have already made at least 3 comments because there was a lot of pictures, you know what I say? So if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a
Thumbs up.
you know the thing go. Because when you give the video a thumbs up, it helps out the channel.
Yes.
And if I see that these videos are not getting the views that they're supposed to get, you're basically telling me that, yo, you're wasting your time making these videos.
Right.
Go on over your cooking channel. So, you understand where I come
He's
from?
gonna go on his strict cooking channel.
No,
Don't worry about that.
I can go on my cooking channel. But over on my cooking channel, a lot of people were requesting
Family
seeing
video.
how I
Yeah.
am. They got like little 30-second here and there when me give jokes and they say, yo, I love your personality, I'd love to see more. So that's why this channel was created. So if you're not watching the videos, you're not giving a thumbs up or all them, remember, no, there's a lot of time I put in making, filming these videos, editing
Yeah,
these
he
videos, where
puts a
I
lot of work
can
in
put
these
that
things.
over onto my cooking channel.
Yeah.
And I do not want to abandon you, so just show some love. Give the video a thumbs up if you like something in the video.
And share with your friends, your family.
Share.
Just share it.
Yeah, man, speaking of which, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 where you can see me in my Modus Prime. And you can see me the young,
Yeah.
wild and free. I don't have great photos like Alyssa because unfortunately we didn't have a camera growing up, you see me? So people might take a picture here and there and might have my older phone take, so my picture them now go look half as good. You see me? But big up
Alright,
yourself.
well guess what? When you come here,
What you see here,
what you hear here,
before you leave here,
like, comment, subscribe,
and share. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself. Part 2. Click the link at the end of this video.
Oh my god,
What
what
mean
happened?
you? I mean you.
Ew.
I mean you.
Ew.
Then my time me I deal with your mama.
I know, as I said, ew.
Yeah, I said you I'm lucky down.
1970, you guys. I met him February 11,
Them
1970.
time they never know if to set the camera dates properly. But yeah, them time I'm more me lucky down them time. Yeah.
Anyways.
Me a hot boy them time.
Ew.
happy life, happy life. You have to work